I've been to this fucking house because they don't know how to fucking raise their 2 or 3 times I've been to this fucking house. No. I said no. No, I don't need your help. I'm just documenting the fact that this fucking row of houses, now the 3rd one in a row I've had to come to multiple times because of fucking dogs. So I'm documenting the houses that I keep having to go to that don't know how to fucking treat a motherfucking dog. Oh, that was the home, or the people that lived in this fucking house. Just came to this fucking house. Fucking white trash motherfucker. And they're still fucking outside. They're still fucking outside. Well, that'll be taken care of shortly. And I've been to that fucking house right there. Fucking caught fire, probably because somebody's fucking, who knows, whatever they were smoking burnt. Unfucking believable.